folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to do a quick video showing some yarn I bought recently. I still have a bunch of other videos to do to catch up. Wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thank you so much. If you like the content here, please click like and subscribe. And hi and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your support. So yeah, so I ordered some of these Sandhill yarns. I'll have the link below. I got this last week. This is the Once Upon a Dream colorway. It's the sock white yarn. It's really pretty. It's like purple and greens and some, I guess, gray in there. And it's 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon. It's 400 yards or 100 grams per the hank. I got a few of those, and then I had made a premiere purchase when it was the sale. I didn't get much. I just got a few of these cotton sprout stripes cakes. They were at $5. It's 874 yards or 800 meters, 7 ounces, 200 grams. They're really thin. So it's that thin. They classify it as a fine number weight 2 yarn. I would say it's almost even a fingering yarn. And they recommend a US 2.75 millimeter knitting needle or a 2.25 millimeter US, I guess that's B1 crochet hook. Machine wash cold. This colorway is the hibiscus stripe, which is kind of like it's more like a red. It's coming out pink in the video, with like a lilac, a blue, a turquoise, a green, a yellow, and an orange, and a pink. The white colorway is this one. The white colorway is the same specs. It's called Cloud Stripe. And they have a navy one. I forgot what that's called. And this is their purple one, which I decided I need a little more of. And it's called Purple Stripe. And this one has that darker purple, the light purple, the blue, the teal again, the green, the yellow, the orange, and pink. And this white has no pink. So it's rainbow colors. It's red, orange, yellow, blue, green, a darker blue, and a purple. And this is what I've made so far with the navy one. It's a free pattern off a Premiere site to make a cover-up. I've made 2 panels, so it looks like this. Kind of like flowers. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that might be better to see. So yeah, it's been taking a bit longer than I expected. So yeah, it's like, it'll be one side on this way, one side on the other. So right now I'm working on the back panel. I did a little modification to the video and then it came out a little different than I was planning. But anyways, so yeah, still dealing with the health issues and been really fatigued and tired. So haven't really had a lot of energy to make videos for this channel. And as I mentioned in the last video, I have a new second channel I made on YouTube called Infinitely Gaming, and it's gaming and, you know, me gameplay on a PS4. Okay, thanks folks. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.